Welcome back to the channel where we talk all things offshore and global business setup. So in this video, we're going to talk about Dubai and crypto because I see a lot of talk about this on LinkedIn and I'm seeing it rise and rise more. Now, Dubai has been very attractive for investors, entrepreneurs and family offices because of its low tax. Good governance and high safety is a very attractive place for entrepreneurs and people starting a business. But is it the number one for you, especially if you have a crypto exchange, a crypto platform, high risk platform, whatever it may be? Is it the best? The quick answer is no, it's not the best. Now, in Forward Point Solutions, our company, we handle these sort of cases all of the time. And I'll tell you right now, when you're handling crypto, EMIs, high risk CFDs, there are many options across the globe that are better for you. But still, in this video, we're going to go over the benefits of Dubai and the alternatives. Me personally, I feel like Dubai is a bit of a rushed option for a lot of people, a lot of business owners. They feel, okay, we'll just go to Dubai, 0% tax, everything is good. Not really. You're not sure of all of the regulations and you're not sure about how the political landscape is going to change in the coming years. It's not going to be as lax and as great for tax incentives forever. It can change sometime soon. So why is Dubai so popular? We know this already, but the UAE is predicted to make crypto the second biggest sector within 5 years. Do we think they're going to do it? Probably will. It's backed by many sovereign funds and family offices, many investors and business owners. Global giants such as Binance, Kraken, Ripple, they're all opening up HQs within Dubai. They have progressive VARA licensing and tax-free incentives, but I'm going to give you a little bit more on this now. The VARA is a digital asset regulator in Dubai. Now this started a few years ago and it became fully operational in 2023. Now this is going to regulate all of Dubai except the DIFC, and inside that is the DFSA. Now this is not necessarily a good thing or a bad thing, it just means that the future for Dubai and crypto regulations is a little bit uncertain. Will they become a little bit more tighter? Probably will, as they expand and become more crypto dominated. Now most crypto firms are still going to struggle in the UAE a lot more than they anticipate. Dubai still works with many traditional banks and traditional banks reject crypto all the time. The CFD, iGaming businesses, high risk businesses, they have no chance. I personally know many people who have set up high-risk businesses in Dubai and have to lie about what they're doing. Now that is not anything to do with our company. That's just some of my personal friends who have told me experiences. In our company, we do everything with full compliance, fully legal and fully flexible. Even licensed firms in Dubai are still going to face hurdles, compliance left and right. No banking means you cannot scale globally. You need licenses, you need banking, you need rails, and you need it fast and legit with compliance. Now this is exactly what we do. To combat what trad banks do, you need an EMI and PSP rails with compliance. Again, this is our bread and butter over at Forward Point Solutions. Now the edit has not done so good here, but this is the logo for Forward Point Solutions. Anyway, how we help you. Offshore formations in more than 60 countries, crypto, EMI, CFD licensing, all in one package. Tax, trusts and banking structures set up. We do not just advise, we set everything up for you, holding the hand of the client. Fins payment, high risk IBANs and multi-currency accounts, secure payment processing, iGaming and CFD specialists. Now we do an awful lot within this space, and if there's anything we don't do, which would surprise me, one phone call gets it sorted out, fully trusted from us, backed by us. So when you're building a global banking structure, which you need for a crypto business or a high-risk business, you really need it. And if you think you don't need it now, regulations and compliance is going to keep on tightening up every single year. So to get prepared is to make money and to save money. And let's think about it. The inverse situation here, it can be a lot more worse than just saving money. It can be legal problems, it can be legal hurdles, it can be your business going bankrupt. So some good examples of what you need and what we can help with. A UAE company formation with a VARA licensing, crypto licenses in trusted jurisdictions around the world, EMI and CFD broker licenses, local and offshore IBANs, multi-currency cards and wallets, fiat gateways and payment rails, end-to-end compliance and KYC systems. We'll give the IBANs, the licenses, the money accounts, the SWIFT and BIC, the VIBANs, fiat ramps, multi-currency wallets, and more. Everything is within our services when you work with us. I'm saying all of this is because we actually do it with work with many of the top crypto companies, high-risk companies, iGaming companies, and we have done this for them already. So when I'm saying the benefits of what we do, it's not just selling ourselves, it's just generally explaining to you how we fix this. Specialists in multi-jurisdictional payments and compliance is how you can describe us. So the benefits you get: you go live globally and faster. You'll stay compliant and private. We'll handle the fiat, crypto, and the volume banking. You get to build exactly like the top tier platforms without worrying about all of the back-end stress. No more rejected applications because we're going to be using EMIs and safe jurisdictions for banking. Now, the very best companies are always running split stack depending on their situation and their business size. They are not just running through one company and one bank account. By 2030, if you only have one company and one bank account in one jurisdiction, it is like trying to run with one lung, who are not just set up in Dubai. They could use Lithuania for their MICA, the CSSP licensing and EMI rails. UK, FCA crypto firms with safeguarding accounts. Mauritius, FSC licensed FASB, MSB. British Virgin Islands and the Seychelles, offshore flexibility and treasury and asset protection. Dubai is your credibility. Other hubs is the functional banking. So basically, UAE can be like your brand. And the EU and UK setups is for your EMI, your SEPA, your SWIFT cards, offshore layer diversification and asset protection. You should know about us. We are backed by some of the biggest businesses in the high-risk sector, the crypto sector and the iGaming sector, as well as some state-backed contracts and many more that I cannot name drop. We are structured for scale, privacy and profit. Some best examples I can think of. The UAE headquarter plus a VARA license is your optics and brand credibility. To get a European EMI like Lithuania, UK or many of the others like Estonia, the VAT ramps and safeguarding accounts. For your offshore, for your asset protection and your treasury, Mauritius, BVI, maybe even the Cook Islands. For your payments, is the global reach you need for yourself and for your customers. Compliance package makes compliance packs equal smooth onboarding and make sure that the banks are still friendly and nice with you. So I'm not sure exactly who's going to be watching this video, but I know that if you are a crypto founder or someone with a lot of crypto, you don't want me to just bang on and talk about a load of stuff that you know already. So to get straight to the point, we are your end-to-end crypto execution partner. The UAE is leading headlines, but the winners diversify across the globe. Forward Point Solutions and Fins deliver your licensing, banking and rails globally. We will make sure that crypto businesses get bankable, scalable and global. So if that sounds like you're a crypto founder, a fund or an advisor, speak to us today and we can get you set up very quick. In the description you will find my email and you will find other links to contact us. Thank you very much for the video. I hope you enjoy it. If you do have any questions, just DM me straight away or put them underneath the comments. Thank you again.